Ba, attorney, kung mapapanig niya sa inyo si Mrs. Napoles at maging state witness na?
Premature pa yun, Jay, no? At pag-aaralan din namin, pero gaya ng sabi ko, if it will serve a greater purpose, meaning it will ensure the conviction of equally most guilty participants, we will not oppose it. And second, we will not oppose it if all the requirements, all the conditions to become a state witness are met. Entitled siya under the law. And again, discretionary rin yun on the part of the judge later, no? O sa Sandigan Bayan. Pero kung gusto niyang magsabi ng katotohanan, mag-apply siya bilang state witness at magpa-cover sa WPP, nasa Department of Justice na yon kung kukunin siya.
But you will not oppose it?
We will not oppose.
Kung sakaling magdesisyon siya ng gano'n, na maging state witness, mas makakatulong sa kanya.
Opo.
Bakit po?
Well, kung maging state witness na siya, wala nang criminal liability eh. As if acquitted siya. Yun ang resulta.